How to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Coming up. Place your eggs in a pot, fill it with water to just above the eggs, and let it boil on high. When it's boiling, turn off the heat and just put a lid over the pot and set the timer to about 12 or 13 minutes and just let it sit there. At the end of that time, pour out all the hot water and pour in some ice over the eggs and fill the pot up to the level of the ice with water. Just stir it around for a little bit just to make sure everything is evenly soaking in the ice bath. And then let it sit for about 2 minutes, should be enough. That came out quite beautifully. This is how you do a perfectly boiled, hard-boiled egg, and look how beautifully it peeled. Up next, you will see what the eggs look like when they're perfectly boiled. Subscribe for more of our content. Thanks for watching.